Good morning, children. Today we will start new chapter that is about plants. So, children, there are two kinds of things in our world, that is living things and non-living things. Living things means the things that which can grow, which can breathe, which can move from one place to another place, or and non-living things means the things that cannot move, like pencil, eraser, train, aeroplane, bus. All these are the non-living things, whereas tree, plants, animals are living things. Okay, and children's living things are of two types, that is plant and animals. Okay, and green plants like a tree, all the green plants like tree, flowers, they are uh, plants, and we are animals like dog, cat. All these are the animals. Okay, children. And green plants can make their own food. Green plants can make their own food, but whereas animals cannot make food for themselves. Okay, and that is why animals need to move to search food from one place to another place, while plants do not move. And children, these are the different parts of plants, that is, this is root, this is flowers, this is leaf, this is fruits, and this is stems. These are the different parts of plant. Okay, and root means this root grow underground, means underground, underground the soil. Okay, and this root helps to, when they get enough sunlight, they absorb water from the soil, and then this root transport this water to different parts of this plants. After that, they will make themselves strong and make strong plants. Okay, and uh, the stem of this grow along the ground, and it bears all the parts of the plants, and it transport the stem also helps to transport food and water throughout the plants. And the thick part of the hard stem of the tree is called the trunk. Okay, the thick part of the hard stem of the tree is called the trunk, and the stem of herbs are green and soft. Okay, the stems of herbs are green and soft, while the shrubs have woody stems. Okay, and children, some plants have weak stems and need support to grow on. Okay, like this type of plants are known as climbers. Underline this, climbers. Okay, children, the weak stems and the need to grow, or they need support to grow, this type of plants are called climbers. Whereas creepers also weak, but they do not need support, as they will grow along the ground. Okay, and leaves means children's, all the leaves are green in colors, and leaves are also known as the food factory of the plant. When they get enough sunlight, that time leaves use water and gas that is present in the air, that called carbon dioxide. They use this carbon dioxide to make food for the plant. Okay, children, we cannot see this carbon dioxide gas in the air, but plants use this as their food to grow and to make food for their plants. Okay, use as a carbon dioxide, they breathe in carbon dioxide. Okay, and breathe out oxygen. Flowers are also a beautiful parts of the plants, and it has a different colors, shapes, and smell. The smells of the flowers, it seems very good, and it is the beautiful parts of the plant. Okay, childrens, and it helps to reproduce and make many baby plants. Okay, for examples, mostly flowers means the flowers which is sown, they will develop into a fruits, and the fruits, inside the fruits there is an seeds, and often they are fleshy, and the fruits are very good for animals to eat. So okay, And the fruits have some fruits have one stem, some fruits have many some fruits have one seeds, or some fruits have many seeds. Okay, and while when we this seeds means seeds is also a baby plant. Seeds have also a baby plant inside and when we sow this seeds in under in the ground or in the soil, it gets when it gets enough water and sunlight. After that, they will sapling grow out of it. Means sapling means this young ones. The young ones of the from the seeds will comes out when they will get enough water and sunlight. Okay, and with the time moves or with the time grows, these seeds will germinate, or these seeds will grow it into an adult plant. Children, these are the pictures. This is the pictures of a seeds, how they will comes from this seeds. Firstly, this is the first process that we will put this inside the ground or in the soil. Then after that it germinates, and when they will get its comes younger ones will comes from the seeds, and they will grow. Time will becomes and time will be passes, and they will grow it into a adult plant. Okay, children, in the next class we will discuss about the uses of plant.